Thought I saw you sneaking around over there. Hey guys, Dave Shipley back here at BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana. Today we're going to feature the 2016 Hideout 26 RLS. So if you like what you see, click the link below and it'll take you directly to this camper. So believe it or not, 26 foot, this is a half-ton towable camper coming in at 7,700 pounds, fully loaded. That's your tanks and all your cargo. To save a little bit of extra weight, they put on a manual tongue jack and manual stabilizers along both sides of the camper. But here on the front, you do get dual 30-pound propane tanks and 2 deep cell RV marine batteries. On the outside here, you do have a really nice long 15-foot fully LED lit awning, which will give you some nice coverage at night or on a rainy day, but still gives you an area to relax with the outside speakers. Along the front here, massive pass-through storage. So this storage you'll be able to throw in your camping chairs, your fishing poles, whatever you want to throw in there, kids floaties, it's completely up to you. Little port right here for a solar charger. So this is about a 20 amp solar charge, and you know, it's really good if you want to pull along or take along like one of those little suitcase solar chargers with you. So dual entry into this camper, which is really nice. That way you can just go straight in and out of the bedroom if you decided to do that. Keep a lot of the mud, change your shoes in the bedroom. Keep a lot of the mud out of the main living quarters. Queen size bed up front with tons of storage all the way along the bed. You will have receptacles on either side as well, and a little shelf. That shelf works perfect for charging your devices or even a CPAP machine. Along the wall there, as you can see, you have a nice little dresser slash ward, and right above that, another place you can hang a TV if you decided to. On the outside here, you do have a hanger if you wanted to put a TV on the outside. Hook it up to those speakers. You could watch the game, watch your fishing shows, watch YouTube, watch me on YouTube, whatever you wanted to do. You got your receptacle here and a coax plug. Why don't we take a step on the inside, check out the main living quarters. So notice immediately along the back wall here, you have these nice leather recliners. Those can actually be twisted and move out of the way when the slide comes in. But if you want to come in, relax at night after a long day of fishing, this camper's your oyster. Along this wall here, you do have a nice size couch. That couch does turn into a full size hide-a-bed. Also a massive U-shaped dinette. So you have some visitors, you want to sit 4 or 5 or 6 people, that dinette's going to fit everybody. It also does have a fold down table that you can fold down to make this dinette into another bed, as you can see it is right now, or you can take it outside while you're cooking and prepping meals. Over here you do have a really nice large kitchen with kind of an L-shaped countertop with some good counter space along the side of it. Oven with a 3-burner stove on top of that. Nice little microwave for popping bags of popcorn for late night. Some drawers, some cabinets, throwing in your utensils, paper plates, bowls, whatever you guys want to take with you. You got tons of space in this camper. All the way around the camper, speaking of space, you got cabinets. You can see them along the back wall. They were right above that couch that my cameraman's sitting on. Nice pantry right here as well. Canned goods, bags of chips, whatever you want to throw in there. Dual purpose Dometic 8 cubic foot refrigerator with tons of space for more frozen goods, bags of ice, whatever you want to throw in there. Up here you do have a entertainment area. So it does come with a Jensen's CD DVD player, so you can watch your movies or throw on some tunes while you're entertaining people and having a good day. This TV actually spins, so that way if you wanted to watch TV in your bedroom, you can just spin this TV around or mount another one on the back side. So again, this is the 2016 Hideout 26 RLS. If you like what you see, click down below or come up and see us here at BISH'S RV, 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road in Great Falls, Montana. We hope to see you soon.